Hello, let's learn to find out domain and range of composite functions. Few more questions I have taken here. So one is fx equals to 2x square minus x for all the x values belonging to real numbers, and the second function is given to be gx, and that is equal to 1 over x for all again x belonging to real number and where x is not equal to 0, because if we put 1 over 0, 1 over x, and if you put x equal to 0, 1 over 0 is undefined, right? So this is a 1 over x function. Restriction is x not equal to 0. All the values other than 0 are included. Okay, let us find out first the range of fx. For range of fx, x is belonging to real numbers, means all the real numbers, all the real values it is taking, right? So how we can find out its range? Now see, this is 2x square minus x, a parabola. Okay, so for that we will have to find out, let us see, 2x square minus x function. So let us do that completing the square method thing. Okay, so completing the square method, if I do here 2x squared minus x, so first thing what we do is we divide by 2, make the coefficient of x squared as 1, so it would be x squared minus x by 2, and then adding and subtracting half of the coefficient of b, square of the half of the coefficient of b. Coefficient of b, x is 1 over 2, and square of half of that is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and then its square has to be added and subtracted. Okay, so that would give me what, 1 by 4. Okay, so plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16, right? So it can be written as x minus 1 by 4 the whole square, and minus 1 by 16. Clear? So this would give me what? For domain, I will do this x is equal to 1 by 4. From this, x minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. That would give me x equals 1 by 4. Now we have to find out the range of fx. So if I put x equal to 1 by 4 in this, the value which I get, that would be my range. My fx value will take all the values which are greater than that. So it means 2 times of 1 by 4 whole squared minus 1 by 4. That would give me what? 2 over 16 minus 1 by 4, and that is, see, we cancel. So it's 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4, making the denominators equal. I'm getting 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 by 8. It means that my range of fx is what? All the values which are greater than equal to negative 1 by 8, right? This is the range of our fx function. Okay, next is what? Range of gx. Range of gx would be what now? Range of gx is like, it would be everything. Range of gx, we can say that gx value will take all the real values, but gx would never be equal to 0. Gx would never be equal to 0, right? So this is the range of our gx function. Now coming to composite thing, domain and range of f of gx. So for that, first we have to find out f of gx. Okay, so fx is 2x square minus x, and wherever x is there, we have to plug in 1 over x. So there 2, okay, 2x, let me write here 2x squared minus x, and gx is 1 by x. So okay, let me write here then 1 by x the whole square and minus 1 by x. This is my f of gx. Okay, so for this, what I can do is, what values it will take. The range of this would be what? Range of f of gx, that is the clear. My function range of fx is greater than equal to negative 1 by 8. So range of this would also be greater than negative 1 by 8. Okay, and domain would be what? See, domain would be x is, for fx, domain is x belonging to all the real numbers, and for gx it is taking all the real values but not equal to 0, right? Not equal to 0. It means that for domain of f of gx would also be everything, all the real values, but x is not equal to 0. That would be the domain of our f of gx. Clear? Now, coming to g of fx. G of fx, our gx is 1 by x. So, g of fx is what? That is 1 over 2x squared minus x. Right? 1 over 2x squared minus x. So, now again, domain would be what? Our domain, to find out domain, we have to plug in 2x squared minus x equal to 0. Okay, so let us put that equal to 0 here. So 2x squared minus x equal to 0, sorry, not equal to 0. So it would be x taking common, so 2x minus 1 not equal to 0. So either x is not equal to 0 or x is not equal to 1 by 2. So we say that my domain is what? My domain is all the real values, but x is never equal to 1 by 2. So this is the domain of our g of x, right? Okay, the next thing is what? To find out the range of g of x. For range of g of x, we know the range of this function fx was what? Fx is greater than equal to negative 1 by 8, and this is 1 over that. So range of this would be what? 1 over negative 8, and that would be what? Negative 8 only. So we see the range of g of x value would be what? It would be always greater than equal to negative 8. Clear? Sorry, less than, because it is 1 over. So it would be less than equal to negative 1 over 8. Negative 8. Okay. Next is, let us take the next question. Function is 2x plus 5, where x belongs to real number and x is less than 2. So this is the domain, and gx is x minus 3 whole square, and for x minus 3, let us do, sorry, for x belonging to all the real values and x is greater than 3. So this is domain of gx. Now we have to find out range of fx. So x is less than 2. So range of fx would be what? Let us put f2, and what we get, it is 2 times 2 plus 5, which is 9. It means that the range of fx is always less than 9. It will take all the values which are less than 9. Okay, greater than 9 values would not be included. Even 9 is also not included. Now to find out the range of gx, the restriction is x greater than 3. So let us find out g3 here. So it's greater than 3. Okay, so for that we can't find out in this way. Okay, this is x minus 3 whole square. So range of gx, and x is belonging to all the real values. X is greater than 3. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to again do this way. Find out this thing, x minus 3 whole square, x is greater than 3. So it means that gx value would be always greater than 0. It would be always greater than 0. It's a parabola. X minus 3 whole square is a parabola. Simple. Minus 3 whole square means 1, 2, 3, and this way. This is the my parabola, g x minus 3 whole square, and it is taking all the values which are above our x-axis. So range is gx greater than 0. Okay. Now let us do find g of fx. So g of fx would be what? G is my x minus 3 whole square. Okay, so x, wherever x is there, I have to put 2x plus 5. So it would be 2x plus 5 and minus 3 whole squared, and that is what? That is 2x plus 2 whole squared. This is my g of fx, or we can expand it. So it is 4x squared plus 2 2's 4 2's 8x and plus 4. Clear? So this is my g of fx. Now what we have to find out, Baba? It is find domain and range of this function g of fx. So to find out domain and range of g of fx, what we need to do is, for domain, let me write the function 2x plus 2 whole square. So this 2x plus 2 equal to 0 for domain. So I will get 2x is negative 2, so x is negative 1, right? It means that my domain would be like always greater than negative 1, and the upper limit would be what? My values can't be greater than like would be always greater than 3 here. So let us see, my gfx range would be what? My gfx range would be, we have to find out gfx range. So let us do, this is 2x plus 2 whole squared, okay, and the range we have to find out. Okay, so it is all the values greater than 3 it is taking. So greater than 3 it is taking, it means that 2 times of 3 plus 2 whole square, and that is what, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 whole square, 8 whole square is 64. Okay, so this is what we say it is. Let me write here, 2x plus 2 whole squared, and always it should be less than 64 value. It should be less than 64. So it would be what then, taking a square root, 2x plus 2 is less than 8, and so we say here x or 2x is less than 6, so x is less than 3, right? X is less than 3. So let us write the range now. That means it is greater than -1 and less than 3. This becomes the range of our gfx. I hope it is clear now. Yeah, let's do, we will do some more questions in next video. Yeah, hope it is clear. All the best.